Welcome back to Stoic Crypto. With football season approaching here in the United States, we're going to test out a new crypto sportsbook called COQBOOK. It's the sportsbook built for Coq community, available on AVAX and CoqNet. Make sure to watch this video from start to finish as we will create a new account, go through the process of funding it, and place a bet. So as you probably know, Coq is one of the top meme coins in general, but it's the top meme on the Avalanche blockchain, and it really exploded onto the scene back in December of 23. It reached a market cap around 430 million in March of 2024, currently sitting at just under 100 million market cap. It has over 77,000 on-chain holders, so it has a very strong community, very organic growth. Thanks to COQBOOK, there are fun ways you can use the Coq Inu meme coin. So we're going to test that out in this video. Nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education, entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. So I'll put a link to their X profile in the video description below. It looks like they launched in early July, so just a couple of months old. What you're going to do is click right here. This will take you to COQBOOK.com. Right now they have a bunch of different sports that you can bet on. They also do have a casino dice game. They've hinted that they'll have more casino games coming in the near future. Let's click on Connect Wallet, and we're going to connect our MetaMask. So our MetaMask wallet is connected. You see we have a balance of 0 MCOQ. And so if we click up here, you have the option to deposit. We don't have anything in here yet to withdraw, obviously. Brand new account. So if we just say 1, so you'll see 1 MCOQ is equivalent to 1 million COQ. So let's take a look at this MetaMask wallet to see if we have any COQ in it. You can see that we just have some AVAX. So the first thing we need to do is we need to swap some AVAX for COQ. To do that, I like to use Trader Joe, which is the top DEX for Avalanche. So if you go to their X page and then click through here, I'll link to this as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect my wallet to Trader Joe. Once my MetaMask wallet is connected, I'm going to go ahead and click on trade. That'll take me to the DEX. I want to swap some Avalanche for Coq Inu. So you can either search for it or click on meme and then you'll see Coq Inu. So I'm going to go ahead and swap. Let's see, let's just go with 1 AVAX. That will give us over 16 million Coq Inu. So I'm going to go ahead and swap and confirm. All right, looks like the swap was successful. Let's open up MetaMask. So we need to add COQ to our MetaMask wallet. Easiest way to do that is just click on add COQ to wallet, add token. Check again, and you can see we now have over 16 million COQ Inu in our wallet. All right, so let's go back to COQBOOK. Let's click up here on our account. We're gonna go ahead and deposit. Let's enter 1. Again, you can see 1 MCOQ equals a million COQ. Our wallet balance right here is 16 million. So let's just say 10 MCOQ is 10 million COQ. Let's approve. Next, and approve. Approval successful. Now you're gonna deposit the 10 MCOQ. So you're going to have to first just approve the COQ. That's just a MetaMask thing. And then the second step will actually deposit it. Confirm. Successful deposit. You can see it's now reflected here. We have 10 MCOQ in our account. So for being a new sportsbook, they have a lot of options from soccer to football, basketball, MMA, tennis, baseball, and more. For example, if we click on soccer, you can see you can bet on the Premier League games, English Championship, and so on. With football, again, starting up really this week, college football, and then NFL next week. You've got NFL, NCAA, and then Canadian Football League, basketball, NBA, and WNBA. MMA, they have a lot of different UFC fights that you can wager on. Tennis, the US Open is going on right now in New York, and you can bet this. You can actually do live betting, it looks like, as well with COQBOOK, which is awesome. Baseball, this is great. You can do Major League Baseball, you can do Japanese professional baseball, and South Korean professional baseball as well. So that's pretty cool. So let's go through an example of just placing a bet. I'm going to go ahead and pick this one, Houston Astros, Kansas City Royals. Houston's favorite in this game. So let's go ahead and click on this one. You can see that the Royals are plus 133 underdogs, and we're going to keep this simple. We're just going to click on Kansas City to win the game, but you can bet on over under as well. So let's click on bet slip. I have 10 MCOQ in my account. I don't want to bet all of it on this, so let's just bet 2. So I can bet 2 to potentially win 4.66. I'm going to go ahead and click on place bet. Bet created. You can view your bets in my bets. Let's go ahead and click on my bets, and you can see this is an open bet, so that was really easy. We have the Royals to beat the Astros. I put up 2 MCOQ to win 4.66. All right, so that was pretty simple. Let's try another one. Let's go to football, and you can see it's going to show it based on what's coming up, right? It's going to display it based on what is next up. But if you wanted to, you can click on like NFL. Let's go ahead and click on this one. Take a look at a football bet sheet on COQBOOK. Eagles versus Packers. This game is actually in Brazil. I'm a Packers fan, so I'm definitely going to bet on the Packers as they are slight underdogs in this game. game, but just give you an idea some of the other things that you can bet on. Total points first quarter, total points overall, total points first half. So they do have a bunch of different types of bets you can make. Again, this is brand new COQBOOK. I'm sure they'll be adding more things. It is pretty impressive, the functionality it has right now. Let's go ahead and bet on the Packers. So take a look at our bet slip. So we're gonna bet on the Packers in a single game, right? You can do parlays as well. We'll just say two MCOQ to win 4.46. Let's place bet. All right, so it looks like it took that out of my balance. Let's go to my bets, and you can see here is our bet on the Eagles and Green Bay Packer game. Took the Packers to win plus 123. That would be my potential winnings if they do win. So now I have a balance still of 6 MCOQ. Let's go ahead and do one more. Let's go to football. We'll go to NCAA, college football. So you can see there are actually a bunch of games. Hard to believe college football is already here. Again, another reason why I think this could really take off. Given the Coq Inu meme coin community and number of holders, it's all built around fun, and now you have a fun thing with COQBOOK that you can actually use it to wager on sports. All right, so let's do an example of a parlay. I don't know a lot about these college football teams, most of them playing tonight, so this is gonna be just a total guess. But we're gonna try a parlay. So let's first go to this one, and Bowling Green is the clear favorite, minus 833 against Fordham. I'll just pick them to win straight up. And then let's go back. Let's go back to football, NCAA. Okay, let's click on this one, Minnesota, North Carolina. This game is also tonight. Looks like Carolina is a slight favorite. Let's go ahead and take North Carolina. So let's take a look at our bet slip. We now have 2 wagers. We've got Bowling Green to win, and we've got North Carolina. Let's go for one more to go for a 3-game parlay. So let's go back to all games and football, NCAA. Last one I'll pick, Colorado Buffs. Dion's going against North Dakota State. He's a heavy favorite, minus 385. Let's go with all the favorites in this 3-game parlay. We'll click on Colorado, bet slip. So we have 6 MCOQ left, and let's click on combo. So that would put it into a parlay, I believe. And now in order to win this, all 3 of these have to hit in order to win. And the amount I want to bet is 6. So if I put up 6, potential winning would be 14. So Bowling Green, North Carolina, and Colorado parlay. Let's go ahead and place that bet. Bet created. You can view my bets. So let's click on my bets, and there's our parlay. So you can see it's pretty simple. If you've used any other sports book, it's very similar. Pretty impressive that they have so many options already for being, really less than a couple months old. So I can definitely see the potential for COQBOOK given the strength of the Coq Inu meme coin community. It's not hard to imagine a world where people that are holding a lot of this meme coin and also are interested in sports, especially with football starting this week, that this could see some significant increase in volume. And again, who knows? It's brand new. It's always good to be early with new things in crypto. So it might be worth it if you're interested in sports betting. You can see that in terms of just creating an account, getting started, super simple. You really just need to start with some AVAX in your MetaMask wallet, then just go to Trader Joe, swap some AVAX for Coq Inu, go back to COQBOOK, connect your MetaMask wallet, and deposit 1 million COQ equals 1 MCOQ, and you're ready to roll. It's great to see Coq Inu now has fun things that you can do with it. And so if this video is helpful, please consider subscribing and leave a like for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.